Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a database on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be showing you this for the online version. You can also do this in any standalone installation of a server that you want on your device or on your server, so let's get right into it. Now, to do so on the web version, you just need to go over into your account button or your account picture, click on it, and then go into my databases. In the case of a standalone installation, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to run the server, go to localhost :8069, I think, or there are variations of the port, so just figure out which port you need to use, and then you can go into web /database or databases/manager. I'm pretty sure it's /database/manager without the plural, but you can just test it out yourself. And once you're here, you can go into databases and you can click create. And once you do, you'll be able to go through the entire creation step. You can choose your apps, you can choose the modules you plan on using there, and once you set everything up, you might need to verify that it's you by either confirming with an SMS code that you get or via a verification email on your email address. But other than that, that is pretty much it. I'm pretty sure that the process on the standalone version is pretty much the same, if not very similar. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do. I do recommend you, if you're moving around, copying and pasting files such as modules or custom modules, you back them up so that they don't break anything. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.